How much do dental assistants make an hour? The hourly wage for dental assistants varies depending on the location and specific job duties. However, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reports that the average wage for dental assistants is $18 per hour in 2022. The job outlook for dental assistants is good. The employment of dental assistants will grow 19% from 2016 to 2026. As the population ages and more people retain their natural teeth, the demand for dental services will increase. This will lead to greater demand for dental assistants to perform a range of tasks, such as taking X-rays, preparing patients for treatment, and cleaning teeth. Requirements to become a dental assistant vary by state. Generally, though, there are a few basic requirements you must meet. You must be 18 years or older. You must have a high school diploma or equivalent. And you must have completed a dental assistant program or have at least 2 years of dentistry experience. Some states also require you to pass a certification exam. In summary, the average dental assistant makes around $18 an hour. However, there is a significant range in pay, from $12 to $30 an hour. Factors that affect pay include experience, location, and type of employer. Generally, dental assistants have reported a high job satisfaction rate.